There's few things more annoying than this. You get up early to work out, and pull on the rowing machine, and nothing is on the screen. You need to replace the battery. It's pretty easy once you know how. Depending on which concept you have, you might have a little twister knob here. But this is 20 years old. Still going strong, by the way. So I need a screwdriver. Carefully pop this off, and there's your batteries. It takes D cell, which is kind of a pain, and once you take this out, and you're going to lose all the memory you had in the machine. There's a card or something that I used to have, but I've lost it over the years. D batteries aren't cheap, but I have 2 rowing machines and I've got 4 batteries, so just a matter of time. Now you just put them in here like that, in the same direction that you took them out, with positive on this side and then positive on this side. Install your cap. There's a little ledge here that clips in like that. Punch it down. I guess you don't need the screw, but if I take the screw out, I'll never see it again. And it doesn't take too long to put it back in. Look at that. As soon as I put the batteries in, it was back in business. Pick your year. These buttons. So as soon as you get the year in, just hit this button here and it takes you down to the months. Can you go the opposite direction? Yeah, that's cool. Advance to the next one. Day. I'm going to go in the opposite direction. Go down time. 9. Then again, I'm going to go in the opposite direction. AM. Hit the check. And you're good to go. Here's another thing that was happening to me. I was rowing, and the numbers weren't changing. What happened? Pretty simple. On the bottom, you've got what looks like a microphone jack, and sometimes it will get disconnected. Just push it back in. Bring this back to where it belongs. And you're back in business. So now you're ready to get back to rowing. Thumbs up and comments, always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of home repairs, equipment repairs, making and breaking things, I do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what repair you're going to see.